Hi, this is Loudon Vergara, and I'm with ABC Bartending Schools here in Miami, Florida. In this clip, we're going to show you how to make a tropical sunrise margarita. Well, what is a margarita? Margarita is typically a Mexican drink made with tequila, triple sec, and some sour mix. Sour mix is a lemon lime, real concentrated flavor with a little frost on it, okay? Well, we're going to give you a little variation. Well, tropical sunrise margarita and a margarita. We're just going to add some tequila sunrise, basically. You're going to start off with your glass, cup filled with ice, okay? I'm going to get some tequila, about 4 counts worth, 4 seconds, okay? We're going to do a little triple sec. Triple sec is an orange flavored liqueur, okay? You're going to do about 2 seconds worth of that, all right? We're going to add our sour mix. Well, this is what sour mix looks like, okay? It's a very concentrated lemon lime, where it gives you a nice head to your drink. It makes it look nice and frosty, okay? Add some sour mix in there. And this is a tropical sunrise margarita, so we're gonna add some orange juice, okay? And then you're gonna give it a good shake. Make sure you're shaking margaritas really good, because that sour mix in there, it gets it a little difficult to mix in. So you wanna give it a good shake. Go ahead and pour it into your glass. Now, since this is a tropical sunrise margarita, the way you're going to give it that sunrise look is add a little grenadine. Grenadine is basically a cherry syrup. It's very sweet. It's non-alcoholic, okay? So it's just basically to give it that over-the-top sunrise look, that red instinct. So garnish it. Maybe grab yourself an orange. Here in Florida, we're known for our oranges. Our navel oranges are where you get all your OJ from, okay? So you're gonna go ahead and cut your orange in half and give it a half wheel, okay? Give it a nice little slice there. And garnish your sunrise margarita with your orange. And voila. This is Loudon. Thank you very much for watching.